Assalamu alaikum dear student. Today our topic is about kingdom fungi. There are unicellular or multicellular eukaryotes. They lack chlorophyll and heterotrophs. Dear student, the characteristic of kingdom fungi that some fungi are unicellular, yani one cell organism, and some fungi are made from many cell are called as multicellular fungi. And they are eukaryotes. Their cell have no true nucleus, and their cell have true nucleus, membrane bounded nucleus, and as well as membrane bounded organelles. They lack chlorophyll. The chlorophyll are absent in their cells. That's why they are heterotrophs, cannot prepare their own food. Some fungi are saprophyte, can get food from other dead organism, and some fungi are parasite, which get food from other living organism, are called as parasite fungi. The fungi intake of food is unique, different from other organism. They get food by the process of absorption. Their cell wall is made up of chitin. Example is bread mold, penicillium, mushroom, rust, and smut fungi. So these are all about the characteristic of fungi and example of fungi. Example is penicillium, bread mold, mushroom, rust, and smut, etc. These are the diagrammatical representation of kingdom fungi. Kingdom plantae. Another topic is kingdom plantae, which include in 5 kingdom system. Kingdom plantae include all green plants. Green word is very important in this sentence, because green color can absorb food, can make food in the presence of sunlight, which is called as process of photosynthesis. They are multicellular eukaryote. The organism are made from many cell, and eukaryotes, their organism have true nucleus or membrane bounded nucleus and organelles in their cells. The organism of these kingdom have green color chlorophyll and prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis. So they are also called as autotroph. They have cell wall made up of cellulose. Their cell wall is made from polysaccharide cellulose. Common example are mosses, herbaceous plants, ferns. These are the mosses, ferns, conifers. These are the conifer plants, and flowering plants, rose, wheat, sugarcane, etc. So dear student, this is all about the kingdom plantae. Kingdom plantae include those organisms which are multicellular, green in color, having chlorophyll, and do photosynthesis to prepare their own food. Their cell wall is made of cellulose. So these are the example, and these are the diagrammatical representation of kingdom plantae. This is mosses, this is ferns, and these are conifers, and these are flowering plants, also called as angiosperm. Flowering plants are called as angiosperm, and non-flowering plants are called as gymnosperms. So next topic is about kingdom Animalia. 5 kingdom system also include this kingdom Animalia. Kingdom Animalia include all multicellular eukaryotic animals. Animals are in 2 groups on behalf of their presence and absence of vertebral column. Vertebral column means backbone. Some animals have backbone or vertebral column in their bodies, and some animals have no vertebral column in their bodies. So vertebral column also called as backbone. So the organism which have vertebral column are called as vertebrates. Example is fish, amphibian. Amphibian are those organisms which can live both on land and in water. Reptiles crawling animals like snake, birds and mammals. Mammals are those organisms which give birth to their babies and give milk to their babies. So these are the example of kingdom Animalia. These are the diagrammatical representation of some invertebrates and some vertebrates. These are invertebrates: starfish, sponges, so these flatworms. And now another topic is about comparison, difference between two kingdom and five kingdom system of classification. So two kingdom system is proposed by Carolus Linnaeus in 1751, and five kingdom system is proposed by Robert Whittaker in 1969. Organisms are classified in two kingdoms, and organisms are classified in five kingdoms, five groups. It is based on nutrition, taking of food, and motility. And it is based on the cell structure, complexity of body, mood of nutrition, and evolution. The placement of organisms like Euglena, bacteria, fungi in Plantae is questionable due to certain reasons. In this kingdom, the Euglena-like organism is placed in kingdom Plantae, while Euglena have plant-like character and animal-like character. So this was incorrect. Bacteria is also have a separate kingdom which was placed in kingdom Plantae. Fungi have also a separate kingdom which placed in kingdom Plantae. This is the drawbacks or limitation of two kingdoms, which was removed by five kingdom system. Organisms are better placed on the basis of body, cell structure, and evolution. Dear student, distinguishing characteristic of the five kingdoms of living organisms. Distinguishing means difference character. So kingdom Monera cell type is prokaryotic, यानी इसके सेल में ट्रू न्यूक्लियस यानी मेम्ब्रेन बाउंडेड न्यूक्लियस और मेम्ब्रेन बाउंडेड ऑर्गेनेली एब्सेंट होते हैं. So their cell is prokaryotic cell, and they are one cell unicellular and one cell and live in group form are called as colonial organism. Protista, eukaryotic cell, unicellular or colonial. Their cell is one and having membrane bounded nucleus as well as membrane bounded organelle, and some are multicellular. Fungi cell type is eukaryotic, unicellular or multicellular. Some fungi are unicellular like Rhizopus, and some are multicellular like mushroom. Plantae cell type of kingdom Plantae is eukaryotic, multicellular. Cell type of animal is eukaryotic, multicellular. Nuclear envelope. Nuclear envelope means membrane of nucleus is absent in prokaryote. That's why they are called as prokaryotes in kingdom Monera. And kingdom Protista, there is no nuclear membrane present. In kingdom Fungi, nuclear membrane are present. That's why they are eukaryote. In kingdom Plantae, in Animalia, the nuclear membrane or nuclear envelope are present. That's why they are called as eukaryotes. Cell wall is made from murin or polysaccharide and amino acid. Polysaccharide many sugar molecule and protein molecule से protein unit से बना हुआ है. Cell wall of protist is made from some forms of various type of chemical. Cell wall of fungi is made from chitin. Cell wall of plants is made from cellulose and other polysaccharide, and cell wall is absent in animal cell. Mode of nutrition means taking of food or making of food. Mode of nutrition autotrophic. Munirans, some are green, have green color chlorophyll, so they are autotrophic, can prepare their own food, and some cannot prepare their own food and are called as heterotrophic. Some are photosynthetic and some are heterotrophic, or combination of these. प्रोटिस्ट में सम photosynthetic and some heterotrophic है, but in some protists these two characters are present in one individual. Kingdom fungi heterotrophic है, kingdom protist plantae photosynthetic and autotrophic है, while kingdom animalia is heterotrophic. This is enough for today. Wish you best of luck. Allah Hafiz.